Hello, and welcome to your LiveSwitch contact dashboard. To start a live video call, click the Send an Invitation button. Enter the customer's phone number, assign them to a project, even edit the message to fit your business's needs. Before your customer joins, your video will be displayed in the top left. Once the recipient receives the call, all they do is click the link and their video will appear. In the Sessions tab, you are able to review all your past conversations, assign them to projects, tag them, and check their status. To review any of the past sessions, just click the corresponding row and you will be able to view more details about the call. By clicking the row of any contact, you are able to view and modify his details. Here you will see detailed information about your last conversation. Review or edit any details as needed, as well as view the customer's recording or photos. The Project tab is your all-in-one hub for a centralized view of your projects. Here you can easily access associated contacts, tags, and the status of each project, keeping everything organized and in one place. On the Contact tab, you are able to review and modify your customer's information. By selecting the trash can icon, you can remove the customer from your dashboard. Ready to get started? Head to liveswitch.com to sign in or start your free trial today.